Louisiana State Rail fanning and Amtrak's coming. It's a little early today. Let's see if it has the same horn as yesterday or not. Oh, it doesn't. But that's a nice horn. Yep, let's see what it is. A nice horn. Kind of quiet too. Luckily. Number 206 and 11. Yeah, that's it. See you next time, or I'll cut the video. Yeah. Hello guys, I'm back. Amtrak's coming. Yeah, the Amtrak's coming. Right there. Let's see if it blows a horn show. Number 206 and 11. Let's see if it blows another horn show. Or not. It's fine if it doesn't. It's with a really nice horn, so that makes it up. But let's see if it does it or not. Number 206 and 11. Yeah, guys, that's it.